and welcome back to the 15 uke song challenge. Today we are on song number 3. This is also known as the 30-day uke song challenge. Make sure your ukulele is tuned. Oh, hold on. I didn't make sure mine was tuned. Hold on a second. Alright, now mine is tuned. Let's get started. We need chords C, F, and G7. These are chords that we used on our last song. So what's different? Because each day we get a little more challenging. The challenging part about this song is the strum. We are doing a new strum. We are stepping away from the island strum for a little bit. Let's go. So it's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you can think about it as 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. This song has 3 parts. By the way, there's a free printable down below. You don't need to sign up for anything or give your information to the internet. Nobody likes doing that. Just click the link and it opens up Google Documents and it's there for you to print out. For my Patreon members, I've added additional printable pages and we also do live video lessons on Tuesdays. For the patrons, sign up so you can join us. Alrighty, so this song has 3 parts. We've got an intro, a verse, and a chorus. The rest of the song repeats some one of those. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, right? You're going to do one of those strumming patterns for each chord you see. So for example, in the intro you've got C, C, G7, G7, down, up, F, and then one C. And then we start with a verse. I don't know what's itching me. Okay, anyway, let's try the intro. 1, 2, 1, 2, breathe, go. Don't look at your hands. Let's do the intro one more time just for fun. Make sure that you're unfolded, your ukulele facing forward. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Got the intro out of the way. The next part is the verse and it continues with the same strumming pattern. If this strumming pattern is really too funky for you to sing and play at the same time, then the island strum will work. That's your friend Bernadette telling you the island strum will work. Your teacher Bernadette says work on the strumming pattern and master it. But I feel like even when I play through it, my hand just like reverts back to the island strum. Okay, so let's do the verse, and we have 3 identical lines. So if you memorize one line, you've got all the 3 lines memorized. So here we go, let's just do the chords. 1, 2 on the verse. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, G7, F, C, freeze. That's exactly like the intro. So our intro is the same form or pattern as our verse. We're just going to do that 3 times for the verse. So let's go ahead and do it 3 times just so that we get that worked out. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. So we've tackled 2 parts of the song already. We've tackled the intro and we've tackled the verse, which are exactly the same. So the only really different part in this song is the chorus. Okay, so let's do it. Roll the shoulders back. Breathe. For those of you following the challenge like live, This video was posted a little late because I recorded the other one. I recorded this one and I didn't like the recording, so I'm redoing it. I was trying to edit and I was like, this is not my best work. I can do better. Okay, so here we go. Chorus. We've got same strumming pattern, so let's just try and play through it. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. That line repeats again for the second line of the chorus. So really, if you memorize 2 lines, the intro, which is the verse as well, and the first line of the chorus, which is the rest of the chorus, you've got this song memorized. I think the biggest challenge will be the strumming. Okay, so let's do the chorus, the whole thing. Get ready? 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, ready, go. Sit up straight. Don't look at your hands. Next line. So just for fun, let's play through intro, verse, and chorus. I'm not sure if I'll be able to sing the whole thing because I'm telling you, it still throws me off. I can't sing, but I feel like my hand reverts to the island strum. So let's try it together and let's see. Maybe you'll get it and I won't. Intro, 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, play with joy. Go. Softer so you can sing. A long, long time ago there was a volcano burning all alone in the middle of the sea. He sat high above, watching all the couples play and wishing down the night. And from this hour came a song. For years and years. Get ready for the chorus. I have a dream, I hope will come true. You're here with me, I'm here with you. Reach that the oceans high up above. Send me someone to love. Woo! Okay, so I didn't do my best on the verse, but I came through for the chorus. How did you do? Let me know in the comments below. Again, if you want to do the island strum, that will work, so don't stress too much about it. This challenge is really just for fun and memorizing 15 songs. Oh, my bun is falling. I am playing with too much joy. Okay, so let's do verse 4 to the end. This is such a beautiful song, you guys. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, verse 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, they were so happy to finally meet above the sea, all together now in love, blue. Line 2. I just went to the 15th fret on the A string to give a really kind of cheesy high C chord. Okay, so for this song, definitely practice the strumming pattern. If anything is gonna get you, like it gets me, it might be the strumming pattern. Because the switches you can do. You can switch C to G7 and back to F. You can do that. You've got this. The song is also a little long, so it's a test of endurance for sure. But yeah, please continue posting your Instagram videos and your Facebook videos on our private Facebook page. It's called Ukulele. It's private just because we want to keep it really like fun and exciting, and just the people who watch this channel. And I try to always convey a very positive, supportive spirit. And so the people in that Facebook group, like, they've adopted that and run with it and created this new, like, beautiful place. I really love, like, there are some people that post there every day, like Marissa, thank you so much for posting every day. I love your videos. So everybody's posting. They're kind of all on their own journey. There are so many people this week who posted for the first time ever. I won't post their videos here because it's a private page, so I don't want to infringe on anybody's privacy. But yeah, and on Instagram we're using the hashtags 15 uke songs and 30-day uke song challenge. And yeah, tag me, and I'm sharing a lot of your videos, the ones that are IGTV, because you can play them in the stories on Instagram. So yeah, oh my goodness. Okay, alright, I'm gonna go edit this as quickly as possible because somebody called me out already for not posting this video on time. So I'll catch you on day 4. Sayonara!